Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session we are going to discuss what are the logical operators, not, and, or operators. So here in this program we are going to check what is the not programs, not true, not false. So we'll start our class public class lab. Then we'll write main method public static void main string aux. Then we're going to print system dot out dot println. So not true, then not false. So not true, not false. So obviously not true means it will going to print. For opposite true is false. For opposite false is true. Now we are going to build this. So not true became false, not false became true. Then we'll define one int. A will be equal to 10. Then system.out.println not a will equal to 10. So 10 is not equal to 10, we are showing this. Then what is the output we're going to check? Can you assign this not a 10 10? Bad operand type int for unary operators. Here unary operator is exclamation mark, that is so we cannot type here not 10. So only we can give true or false. The not given only for true or false. This unary operators only we can give with true or false. So what is that? Control build. So it's showing that unary operators. So unary operators. Then we can put this into parentheses. Then we can put this into parentheses. Then it will show a false will come. Why here false is a is equals to 10 is equals to 10. For that true it is true. For that not true will be false. So like that we can define. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching our videos. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. If you not yet subscribed, please subscribe and click the bell icon. So in this session we are going to discuss what are the programs, how to write unary operators, that is logical operators for AND. So we'll start our public class lab, that is open, then write main method public static void main string aux. So here we are going to print system.out.println, that is true and true. Then what is true and true will be? So what is true and true will come? True and true. So first one true, second one true, and it's obviously true. Then we'll check this, what it will come. Should be declared file name. So you should not give space. Sorry, here lab. Control build. So it's given that true and true will be true. Then what is the case with true and false? So here AND operator will always check first. Here first one true, then only it will going to check true. If it is the first one true, then only it will going to check for the second statement. If it is first one is false, it will not. For this true and false, that is false. Control V. So first one false, next one false. So first of all, it will going to check it is a first statement is true or not. If it is a true, then only it will going to compare with second one. If it is a false, it will not check with the second one. So it will not go for here. False means it will going to give false only. Then so false and false. So we'll get obviously false. So true, true, false, false, false. So in AND operator, for true and true, it is a true. For true and false, first it will check true, then only it will going to compare with the second one, then false. If first statement is false, then it will not check with the second one. So false, 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 like that. Then we're going to check what are the cases. What are the case for AND operators? We're going to check int a will be equal to 20. Then boolean b is equals to, then what you will write is some statements we're going to write. A is greater than 10. A is greater than 10, and we'll write AND operator. So here true and true, we are going to give some statements. A plus plus is less than 5. Then what it will give is, so we have written, so finally we should get something like so here we'll get something like a value, that is a equal to, put some tab here, then plus a, then b equal to, put some tab here, then plus b. Then we are going to build this. What happened here, we're going to check. So here a is equals to 21, then b is equals to false. So why it is a is equals to 21, or actually it is a is equals to 20, then b is equals to some. A is 20 greater than 10, then it will be true. So it is a true, and a plus plus, it's coming like this. So here it will going to check first, if it is a true first statement, then only it will come here. So a plus plus is, what is that is, let's take first it will going to assign 20 is 20 less than 5, 20 less than 5, so that is false. So that is false. For that, and true and false, what it will come as finally, that is false. So for that false it is. After coming next statement, a became 21. So here a is equal to 21. Why? Because it's incremented there. So like that it will going to happen. So here first one false and true. Then we're going to check with, if you do like this, means 20 is greater than 5, 20 greater than 5, then it will be true. So both are true means, then what it will come, true, true only will get. Then we're going to check what are the solutions for this, what is the output for this. So here it's showing that true, so it's showing that 21. Then a is less than 10, then b a plus plus is less than 10. So here a is less than 10 means it's a false, and it will goes like false. Let's put like this only, greater than. So it is true. First of all, in AND operator, it will going to check first statement only. If it is a false, it will not go here. If it is a false statement here, it will not check here. Only it will give the output. It will not go for this statement. Now it is 20 only. Now we'll check what is the output for this. Obviously, a is equals to 20. Why? Because in AND operator, first statement is false. For that, it's already know first statement is false, no need to check this one. Then it will not go here, it will not do increment. So you are getting differences. You confirm that what is the differences are true or false in front first one. Then we're going to check either it is false, either it is a true, whatever it is, it will not check. we can go with 20 only. So here also 20. So like that the AND operations will happen. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe. Hello viewers, thanks for watching our videos. In this session we are going to discuss the logical operators or unitary operators, or for the boolean things, true or false, for comparing true and false. So we're going to write our program. We are already written class lang public static void main method. We are opened and we're going to check with true or case, two parallel pipelines, and so we're going to build this. What is the case it will come? So it's showing that true or true will need to print true. So it's printing true value. So first it is a true, then you're going to check. Next one, true with false, two parallel pipelines. So then it will check true or false means true only. One thing is true, then remaining all will be true. So in OR operator, any first statement or second statement is true, then it will be true. Then so what it will come is false, two parallel pipelines, and true. So either it is the first statement is false or true, not like an operator, either false or true. It will going to check for the second one. So if it is a false or true means it will going to show that is true. Any one thing is true, that is true in OR operator. Then both will be false, then only it will be false. Then only it will be false. Then we are going to check this. So here is showing that false. Next, so for true or false, that is true, false or true, that is true, false, that is false. Then we are going to define one int, a will be equal to 20. So it will be, let's take 50. Then we are going to write boolean b will be equal to some statements that are a greater than 10 or a plus plus is greater than 10, greater than 20. Let's take a plus plus will be greater than 20. Then we're going to write what is the value of a equal to some 10 plus a, then b is equals to, then b will be equal to some put 10 plus b, then it will going to bet. So what happened here is, so it's showing that a is equals to 50 and b is equals to true. So what it means is, first it's assigned, first it is true, for that it's not checking for the another one. So for the first one it is true, a greater than 50, that is 50 is greater than true. Then it's not checking for second one, it's obviously true, for that it's came to a is equals to 50 only. Then b true, that is a greater than 50 and 50 is greater than 20. Then we're going to check with the true and false case. So then it will go, if it is the first true, then it will going to check for this. Then we're going to check what is the 50 or 51 will come. So 50 only. So the first statement is false, then only it will going to check for the second one in OR operator. In first statement is a false, in AND operator it will not check for this, but in OR operator the opposite for that, AND operator. So if it is the first one is false, then only it will check for the second one. Then we are going to check first one less than false and it is true. Then we will be checked for the true things or not. Now it will be 51 and true. See, obviously 51 and true. Why? Because first statement 50 less than 10, that is a false. For that it will going to check for the second one. So second one is, why? If second one is true. Why? Because a plus plus is greater than 20, that is 50 is greater than 20. Next statement it will going to increment. So the next first is assigned, then next statement it will going to increment. So 51 came and that is true. Then it will be, now we'll check for both the things false, then it will going to increment or not. Yes, it will be incremented. First statement is false, next it will check. It will going to check for the second statement, then it will be false. Obviously 51 and false will come. Yes, obviously it is a 51 and false. Why? Because false, and it will going to check for the second one, it is also false. A plus plus 50 is less than 20, that is also false. But after this it's got increment by 51, then it is false. Thanks for watching our videos. If you like the video, please click the bell icon and like button.